So guys, but speaking on views, and like I explained to you in the note you read, it's all about putting a video in a video to tell a story. For example, I said if you traveled maybe to a country and then you had fun there and stuff, and then like I'm here now, as you can see me in this video explaining, okay, that I went to a pig farm and stuff, and then I saw pigs, I saw everything and how they are taken care of and all. But the only thing you can see in this video is me. You and then you're left to imagine how the whole pig farm and everything looks like. So by the time I show you the clip of when I was there, that's called a B-roll footage, me putting it in this particular video, okay, or in the video you are watching. The moment it switches from you seeing me to you seeing the pigs or what happened when I went there, that particular footage is called the B-roll footage. And I told you how you can acquire those. Make sure you prepare it down when you're about to edit your videos, okay? So for example, let's make a cut. So for example, now this is a normal video. Let me play it first. So at this point, I'm going to make a cut so as to add the B-roll or the footage of being in the farm. So I'm splitting out playhead. Then at this point where it's still cut, I'll go to media, this second media on layer, and you click on it. Then choose the B-roll footage you want to illustrate. So this is it. This is it. So I've put it here. So you can see now the way it is. The footage is going to come on top of this place to keep talking, like it's going to be showing. You can see the way it is on top of the existing video. So you expand it to cover the whole screen, so that it's not just be showing like this. So to cover the whole screen, so you drag this arrow down, you drag it until you cover the screen. Fine. So you mark it. Okay, so this is the video down here. So you mark it. So let me move back and then play the video. You see how it switches. So I don't know why it's hanging, but as you can see, let me reduce it. It's too much. I don't need so much footage from these guys. So I'm going to cut this one, trim to the right of playhead. I don't need. So I just need something. I don't even need the whole. I just need something to show that I went to the pig farm, just an illustration. So I'm going to select the B-roll footage I just put, and then cut it. I want to reduce it. I don't want it to be too much. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm going back now to play this video from when I said I'm going to show you a video. So you can still see my voice is still under. So my voice is still under my voice is still under this video that I'm showing. Okay, the video that I'm showing is just on top. Sometimes it's because if this B-roll footage has an audio, you can remove the audio by clicking on it. Then you see this volume button, then you reduce it to 0 so that the viewers can still hear what you are saying on the background. Okay, you remove the volume of this video, but this my B-roll footage does not have volume, so there's no need to do that. So let's play it. So you can see how it works. So that's basically how a B-roll footage works. The same thing applies for news. I told you, for example, as you can see me here in this video, assuming I'm broadcasting the news and telling you, okay, we went to the pig farm to check the health of the pig and pigs and everything. So as I'm talking, you will now see some clips or a clip of the pig. You see a clip of the pigs or of me being in the pig farm. So that's just to further illustrate, but you still be hearing my voice in the video because the video is there. This b-roll is just on top of the main video just to illustrate. Okay, so that's how b-roll works. So you can add b-roll, you can add videos anywhere, even without cutting, even without splitting. So here now I can try to add another b-roll footage. So perhaps in this I'll select media and then you select the video you want to put there. Okay, so perhaps this is the video I want, so you expand it to cover the screen. Okay, so that's good. So once I play it, so you can see, so this particular video has volume, this particular B-roll footage you put has volume. So you can just select it and then remove the volume entirely or reduce it depending on what you want. So you mark it so it will not have volume again. You just be hearing what I'm saying. So that's how B-roll footage works. Okay, so that's basically it. So thank you. If you have any questions, if you don't understand, just do well to ask the instructor.